National Ayush Mission Manipur Directorate of Ayush Lamphel Social Development Association Kangchup amade United People's Front UPF kapunduna ngase Imphal West District ke Kangchup Singkhongda nongmagi oiba free Ayush health camp ama pangthokre. Thoram aduda United People's Front UPF ki President N Rupachandra na hai me ahumdagi Manipur thorak libi irang asida mafam kaya da mioi kaya ana layeng lamda khudung chadaba thengnare masida kharada oirasu mateng oinaba free health camp asi pangthokpani asigumba khudung chadraba tongan mafam singda makhata na free health camp pangthokani haike
asugumba health camp ase sahi sang sina satharaga laksabani karigidamak masa mau pabak khunai mo oinanbugi damakta ikona camp ase sinjabani tongan ba community jima awaba tarba matamasida Director of Ayush amadi ikona organize tawjara kanda hairiba camp ase ngasi kangkup singkhong sinjabani chatpa khotpa khudong saba phangdraba matamasida karigumba khardang orsu pangjagi haina UPF na wakhaji khanjara kanda ikona Director of Ayush ta haijaraga ngasi laying pathawasi satajabani aduna makata basu Director of Ayush na UPF na sinjarakpa amadi organize tawbada mateng pangbire kani habi thajaba thamjari
Thoramda Social Development Association Kangchup ki Secretary Angom Dijendro na hai mafam asta mioi kaya ama ana layeng bagi khudong chadaba mayok na duna leirambani adubo laikai asta mari leinaba department amade UPF ki volunteer signal laklaga free health camp ama pangthokpa asina miyamda ana layeng bada khudong chaba kharamakhaidi phangle haike free health camp aduda relief camp da leiriba miyam amade laikai adugi akoi bagi leiriba punna mioi chama kunthra rom layeng bagal loinana department singi maikai dagi hidak langthak sing lemna pike health camp aduda specialist ayush doctor TS Rita Maduri homeo physician Dr. N Chandramala Dr. Deb Thangjam Dr. Watabi Chanu pharmacist I Ibo Choba amadi nurse Langlensu Sarugi